Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out game information of a particular match on the ESPN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on the More button down below in the right side corner and then select a league. After that, select the date and the particular match that you are interested in, but you might need to wait a few seconds till it loads and then select the relevant one. After that, tap on the Gamecast button at the top of the screen on the left side. Then scroll down to the bottom where you can see the game information section. So here you can see the location, the exact date and time, and also the line, the attendance, capacity, and the referees as well. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.